Not all stairs are created straight, so if you want to move up a level easily on stairs that turn right, left, or spiral, choose a turn for the better. The Helix Curved Stairlift. Sit down. Fasten the seatbelt. Press one button. Helix transports you smoothly and safely. Automatic sensors protect you and your belongings by stopping the lift at obstructions, or stop the lift anytime with the emergency stop button. Helix is attractive and can be used inside or outside with custom colors and seat options. The slim Helix saves space with folding arms and seat. For any curving staircase, Helix gives you a new level of convenience. Only from Harmar, America's lift leader.